Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to upload documents in ChatGPT. First of all, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. You cannot upload documents directly in ChatGPT. Sometimes we give more than 3000 words to the ChatGPT and then ChatGPT gives a long paragraph error. But if we give any file to ChatGPT, he can accept it. So let us see how we upload documents in ChatGPT. Here you can see there is no option for uploading documents. Go to next tab and search ChatGPT file upload extension. Click on this first website. Here you can see Chrome extension. Click on add to Chrome and click on this add extension. Now wait a little bit. Chrome extension has been added successfully. Now you have to allow this extension to work on your ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT, refresh this page. Now here you can see upload file button. Tap on this and you are able to upload any documents in ChatGPT. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.